how to change your email address on your American Express account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your email address on your American Express account. So to do that, first of all, open up the Amex app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the account tab, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you're in this page, tap on the option go to profile, and then where it says email addresses, simply tap on it. Now it will ask you to enter the 3-digit card security code or CSC, which will be on the back side of your card. Simply enter it. Now tap on the option continue. After that, enter your 4-digit customer password or your card pin. Simply enter it over here and then tap on the option continue. After that, you will be taken to this page where in order to change your email address, you can simply enter your new email address over here. After that, re-enter it over here. And once you tap on the option save, you will have successfully changed your email address on your American Express account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.